Yo, what's good? It's your boy Jam. We back with another video. Feel me. Today we got the New York Yankees versus the Chicago White Sox. Let's check it out, man. Second game of the series.
Field. Look, his 20th start of the year.
First game we took the dub.
39%.
You know what I'm saying? Kind of loud. You know, as we approach the trade deadline, we can't forget that we're still playing and we have to win.
97 from Anthony K.
I think early in the evening, much to the benefit of the pitchers, because the lights haven't taken over yet. It's not quite dusk, and the visibility isn't as good as it's going to be.
Preseason is so good, bro. Shit, yeah, I'm old as shit and I still drinking, bro. Don't care. All right, come on now. The side struck out. Why is Rosario batting third? Can someone explain that to me? All right, Garrett Cole, the ace, is on the mount. Let's go. Look at Garrett Cole, man. Best pitcher in baseball.
On June 16th, 16 innings pitched, gave up a run in the first and the sixth.
All right, it's taking too long. Here we go. Gotta be, oh, nice diving grab by Chisholm out at first. Great defensive play there by Jazz. To get the out first. Nice.
He knows he has time. He's got such a strong arm. Antonacci could really run, but just a really, really good play to start this game.
Munetaka Murakami, 22 home runs, 48 runs batted in. Did not play in a series. The Sox were in New York.
All right.
Because of an injury.
Strikes, man.
Murakami down on strikes. Yeah, that's just a really effective four-seamer up in the zone. And those left-handers are low ball hitters.
Here is Miguel Vargas, right hand hitting third baseman.
And then pop up.
Left side, pop
Volpe.
left field. Volpe is called off.
Chill, man. Makes a catch.
Makes the catch as Garrett Cole.
Alrighty.
2-3 inning. We're 2-1 in Chicago. Nothing.
Anthony K, the first time in his career striking out the side in the first. Wow.
2-2.
2-2 count. Dominguez with a base hit.
Montgomery into left field. Another hit from the right side for Dominguez.
Going to bring up Trent Grisham. Trent looking to break out again. He's one for his
You
last.
Grisham. Hits. It's center for a base hit. Dominguez will go to 3. Because I know he has the speed. So I know he's at 3. Oh, he's at second. Damn. I thought he was going to go. I have a front runners at first and second here.
Nice clip lately.
Venable pulls the infield in with runners on second and third.
Volpe
And nobody out.
coming up. Volpe.
He's gonna get a run in.
Deep center field. That one is almost caught, but that'll be off the glove. That'll score a run, maybe 2. It'll be a
It's an RBI double for Volpe, and the Yankees are on the board.
RBI double. I'm assuming that's what it will be called, or it's an error. Almost a 3-run homer. Almost went over the bar.
And you could look at that, and they did have to wait and see if they were going to get that ball, whether Peters was going to catch it. He almost did.
That was almost a catch. Almost out for a 3-run homer. But just an RBI double. And Shoeman, grounder. That'll be a base hit. Down to score 2 runs to make it a 2 RBI double for Shoeman and make it 3-0. Nat Yankees here in the seconds. Let's go.
You know, we've talked about how he contributes whenever he is in the game. He has about a 360 on-base percentage against left-handers. He had a tough night last night. This is a big hit, and I know it's a chopper, and it looked like they had a pickoff play on. I mean, the White Sox catchers are aggressive, and they will try to pick you off. But he hits this high chopper over Vargas's head. That's a big hit.
Old Goldschmidt 0 for 1 with a strikeout to start this game. He has struggled versus
Goldschmidt
lefties recently.
Shallow right field.
It's that to right for a fly out.
He makes the catch.
That'll end the inning. 3-0. Yankees stand the lead. Bottom second coming up. Pop up.
Pops one up in the infield. It's got to be Garrett.
Hey, oh my goodness. Cole makes a
Oh, get it out of
catch.
his glove. He caught it with his bare hand.
Yo,
He was right
come
on
on
the
now.
back of Wells.
Communication, y'all.
Third base line. That was not pretty. But he made the play, and everybody's smiling.
Wells, why the hell you laughing, bro? You a bum. You better get DFA, my boy.
He punches Wells in the chest.
Hey, don't think Garrett Cole laughing with you either, bro.
Hear him yell, "I've got it up here."
Like, bro, if he was not your teammate, he'll beat your ass up, bro.
Play like that. I can't remember.
Yeah.
I mean, you see guys come over
And get a fly
close,
ball,
or maybe
not
they
like
can
that.
direct traffic. That was crazy.
That's on Wells right there, bro. Like, Wells, what are you doing, bro? Like, Wells didn't even see the ball. Like, my boy just, like, these, and then went down. Like, bro, what?
Bring up Tristan Peters as center field.
Like, my boy had it in the bush. Strike him out.
No runs ahead, no errors to the man left.
Go.
Third we go.
One away, the batter Drew Romo. 1 for 3 with a walk
right.
and 2 runs on Sunday in that big win over
Bottom
Houston.
third, 2-2. Strikes him out.
Garrett Cole, that's his third strikeout, 2 away here in the third inning.
Give an idea of just how dominant he has been in his last outing on Wednesday against the Pirates. 7 innings, gave up 3 runs, struck out a season high 11 and a season high 21 whiffs. He is getting the ball past
And
right now.
strikes him out. Looking. I think that's 5 or 4 Ks for Garrett. I think it's 5 Ks for Cole through 3 innings. The ace is back like a crack addict. Alright, Chisholm strikes out. Bio to left. Or not. So still 3-0 here through 4. Just 1 hit for the Sox. 5 for the Yanks. And Murakami is coming up, who has power. Power! It's that into right field for a base hit. That should be a double for Murakami. Oh my goodness. Dominguez, what's going on? Bro, he has an arm, bro. He has an arm.
Who's 5 for 22 with 2 career homers against Cole.
And Benintendi grounder. Out at first. Ernest moved to second and third. The bases are loaded now. Can Cole get out of this one? 2-2. Hit. Into left. Rosario makes the catch. For the final out here in the 4th. Bottom 5th coming up. Murakami once again. 1-2. Strikes him out. And that ends the 5th. Bottom 6 coming up. Cole is still in the game. How many pitches is he at? 92. Strikes him out. And this will for sure be his last batter. He strikes him out. Prime Garrett Cole is back. Let's go. Bro, Arrow
He has indeed, and boy, he's
trying to see what's going on in the crowd. Everybody just over there standing and stuff like this. But like I was saying, oh my gosh, bro! What Wells? What are you doing, bro?
1 down. The batter is Mydra.
Bro, do you have like bad hearing problems or something, bro?
Good play by Goldschmidt reaching into the baseline to make the catch on the 1-3. 2 down.
2 quick outs on 4 pitches.
All right, 1-2. Get deep to center. 4 in, out. Like I was saying, a rotation of Garrett Cole, Cam Schlittler, Max Fried, Carlos Rodon.
There's a bouncing ball over Goldie's head. Fielded by Jazz. Acrobatic throw off balance in time.
Stop playing with us, bro. Stop playing with us, man. Bro, elite. And if we trade for Schoolball, wink, wink, that would be the best starting pitching in all of baseball. I think we already had the best starting rotation in all of baseball, bro. I mean, we have the Cy Young favorite in the AL and Cam Schlittler. Strike him out. And then we got Max Fried, who's another ace. That's a strike.
challenging all season.
Strikes him
Yes,
out.
sir. 2 down.
Last chance for the Sox is Chase
And
Mondro.
down to the final out. That's a D to left field. That one is gone.
Deep to left.
3-2.
It goes. Get out. Cue the fireworks because the Sox. Last run. Sox looking for
Bro, why are we
Everson
showing these, bro? Come
Pereira,
on
the
now.
pinch hitter.
Everson Pereira coming up. He strikes him out, and the Yankees win. Let's go. That is the series. Dubsky for the Yanks. And all we are waiting for. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. We got 2 more games left. Just 2 more. With another win, and we win the series. Here we go. Yankees. Goldschmidt with 2 walks. Hit for Rosario. 2 hits for Dominguez. Hit walk for Grisham. A hit RBI for Volpe. Walk for Chisholm. A hit and 2 RBIs for Schumann. Garrett Cole went 6 innings, allowing just 4 hits, 0 earned runs, 2 walks, and 7 strikeouts. Great outing for Garrett Cole. And then the bullpen. Javili was good. Hedrick was good. Bernard, his worst inning since it's been about more than a month since he last allowed a run. An earned run. So he struggled today, but was able to get the save. And then the White Sox, hit for Murakami, hit walk for Vargas, hit for Benintendi, 2 hits, and a walk from Montgomery, 2 run off for Mydroff, then a hit for Romo, pitch staff. Was okay. But yeah, man, the Yankees win 3-2 and improved to 61-46.